Hi everyone, in this video, we will be checking out the Oukitel WP19 rugged smartphone. Mainly we will be covering the rugged features of the Oukitel WP19. This phone is built with some cool massive rugged features that are worth testing out. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one set of user guide to guide users on the product operation. A USB-C charging cable is also provided to recharge up the phone when needed. A wall charging adapter is provided. Next out is the Oukitel WP19 rugged smartphone, packed nicely in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Oukitel WP19 rugged smartphone looks really good. It has a key element of ruggedness to it. The body frame is made of rubber elements to cushion against accidental drops and falls, and at the back, you can see it has a solid durable material plate which looks resistant against scratches and drops. Above, we will find the mAh smart cameras which looks really cool and futuristic in design, more of which we will explore later on. At the side, you can find the SIM and SD card tray slot, easily removable for easy insertion. The overall design provides users a comfortable grip on the smartphone, feels solid to the touch. At the base, users will find the USB-C charging slot along with the headphone jack slot for you to plug in your earphones to jam to your favorite beats. A key element of ruggedness is the rubber bumpers on all four corners of the phone, designed ergonomically to cushion against impact and drops. Pretty cool, right? Now I can bring it out on rugged adventures and not worry too much knowing it has a rugged body frame. Let's proceed to boot the phone up and check out the interface. On first boot up, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions to get it configured. On first boot up, it is running stock Android 12 OS and you can see that there is no bloatware on the device and it only has mostly stock Android apps. The interface is fast and intuitive with no lag. It has Android 12 OS installed, which is one of the newest Android versions available at the time of filming. Great. Smartphone still works perfectly fine and functions normally even after all the water it's been under, showing that the phone is rugged and waterproof. Awesome. It even comes with a handy toolbox for people who love outdoors. You will find it very useful. It has a flashlight toolkit to shine through darkness. Also a compass is perfect for navigation outdoors. You can even use the alarm tool to sound different sound effects depending on your needs. Other cool feature like a protractor or magnifying glass is available in the toolbox. Great options. Let's check out the camera interface. It is easily operable and you can just point and capture shots you love easily on the interface. Use the infrared night vision camera on the go to capture night vision shots as and when you need to. Check out some images captured with the WP19 camera. The picture quality is excellent. Overall, we find the Oukitel WP19 a great option for people who love outdoors. As you saw our rugged feature overview, it works amazingly well with drops and even with water. The waterproof design and rugged ratings keep it safe from drops and extreme conditions. The battery size is super. Find out more about the Oukitel WP19 rugged smartphone. Check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.